So in my heating issue video, I just wanted to expand on the relays in the motherboard, what I've typically seen where they do fail. So on these two older boards, this one in particular is right there on the top of below heater 2. You can see it's kind of burnt there, and on the back side, that's what you're checking for, is the solder failure. That's your first sign. On this board, you can see right there where the line 1 and heater 1 feeds in, similar thing. So those are the two that always tend to fail during heating season. And you'll see, this is for the non-squirrel cage fans, the newer models that they make. It's only got the fan high and low. On a newer board, with the squirrel cage fan, it's got the OD fan as well. So if you're rehooking up to an older model, just use the ID fan and low. And when I take them out, I take the 4 screws out of all of these and kind of shimmy it to the side and put in your new board, and then just wire for wire put them in. But just a little tip, and what you're to typically look for on a cook board, it's always integrated into heater 1, heater 2, or line 1 and heater 1. I've never seen a compressor or any of these fail. It's always those two. So I hope that helps.